Bro, up here for a mountain run, and we got freaking
Oh my god.
heading out from the Shaq meet. Watch your freaking language. Ah! Or, people I know are coming. I'm about to back up over all his stuff. What? Oh shoot, you heard me? My fault. My fault. I was kidding. Bruh, I wasn't actually gonna do it. Chat, we're not winning the raffle. Frick you, Spartak. I wish I would have won the slow race. Alright, I'm about to yell so I can sync my audio, so close your ears.
Okay.
Ah! Alright. Bro, well, you didn't have to yell. It's for my camera. Alright, y'all, we're out here with another meet going on Ruin Culture. Got me on the stunt bike, of course, and then Lexi back there on the CBR. Again, always with me, bruh. Alright, zooming by. Dude, why are you wearing like hospital pants? I just realized that.
What?
Are you wearing scrubs right now?
They're comfortable.
Are those actually scrubs?
Yeah.
Oh my god, bruh. Anyways, we're a little bit late to the meet. What? Oh, a vet?
I used to work at a vet, yeah.
Why?
Because they like animals.
Anyways, as I was saying, we're like an hour late to the meet because I had to do some practicing, but it's okay. It lasts until 10, so we're chilling. I wish this car audio was better, but whatever. At least we got the dual comms going.
Why are you slowing down?
Because it sounds awesome in the tunnel. Ah! Ooh, multiple bikers. I'm catching up with them. Oh my god, there's so many. Oh no, hit let's forget. Oh no, an R1. Yes sir. Rika, however you say it, I don't know.
Rika, I don't fucking know.
Language, I'm filming.
Frick.
Say freak, say frick.
Frick.
Dude, I want to flex on all of them with the wheelie, but I don't want to get pulled over. And we're going too and we're going too fast. There you go, off frick. Dude, what is this Harley rider doing, bro? He's like dancing and hanging off the bike. What's up, bro? I see that.
I can't run because I don't have a back brake.
Why? Why?
Because it's set up for road racing.
Bruh, stupid.
What?
He's got it set up for roll racing. What you doing, bruh?
I don't know. I don't want to be with the one. Thank you.
Bruh.
Thank you.
Chill the frick out. Bruh, the hospital France is actually crazy.
They're comfortable.
I just came from work, guys. Worked a 12-hour shift at the nursing school.
They're comfortable.
Dude,
Not like that.
watch your freaking language.
I don't freaking run lights.
Thank you.
I'm just a girl.
I don't care.
You don't care about my gender? It's sexist.
Nope. Bro, Jam's not coming.
He's not?
No.
Why not?
I don't know. He just said he's not. Well, he said it. Well, first he was like no, and then he was like maybe, and then he was like 50-50, and I was like, okay, dude. All right, we're turning left up here.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, we are.
Nuh-uh.
What you mean, no?
Wait for me!
Dude, use the gas. I turned red. It's fine. All right, why is this dude just parked in the middle of the freaking road?
Because he likes it that way.
We see the Mexican truck, bro.
The fucking disgusting ass truck.
Yes, sir.
The absolute fucking disappointment.
Chat, where are we parking?
I don't know, where are we parking?
Apollo!
My ears!
Alright,
Where
buddy.
the fuck are you going?
Right here.
I hate you. I hate you so much.
Just pull through, my boy.
Don't ever back your bike in.
Bruh, I don't need to be doing all that.
What's up?
What's up?
Doing good?
Yeah, man. Shaq, can I halt this curb?
Oh my gosh, you're a fucking retard. What the fuck? Wait for me.
You like that?
Wait for me.
Go around, fool. Turn left, turn left, turn left, turn left.
Turn left, turn left, turn left, turn right. Come on, come on.
Go ahead, bruh. I'll make it.
Wait.
Alright, woman. Aw, frick, he beat me. Watch out, there's a Mustang about to hit you, bruh.
What, actually?
Yeah, he's right there! Watch out!
What are you doing, bro?
Dude, I'm kidding. Chill out. Alright, y'all, we heading out from the meet. Freaking saw a bunch of people I knew, so that was sick. Still got people pulling up, but I don't think
How to deal with me?
I have to deal with this little dum-dum. I don't think many more people I know are coming, so. Yo, you like that, bro?
Wait, what was that?
He was freaking filming me leaving.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
That might be tough.
Yeah, I'm done. I just had to do one on the hill. But yeah, we're finna just ride back home now, so. What the frick? Freaking side quest, bro. We're going to Atlanta to spend the night. And then we're going to ride with Shaq tomorrow. Bro, what the frick? There's a freaking self-driving car right there. And a Maserati at that. Oh, maybe not. What the crap, bruh? Nah. Get me out of the city, bro. What the frick? Alright, y'all, we're heading out from the freaking Shaq ride. We got like 1,000 goddamn trikes and Harleys. Me and my boy JM are the only normal people here, bruh. Oh, God. We'll see how this goes. Shaq's up there at the front somehow. We haven't seen him yet. Yo, is that an R9? Oh, that's an R1. Oh yeah, that's the new one we saw. No, that's pretty sick, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, this is pretty sick actually. Definitely no wheelies though. Alright, I did a short little wheelie. No way, bruh. Yeah, that looks like a cop. Dude, that's sick. What the heck? Now I really feel like I'm in a GTA lobby. Alright, yo, look at the helicopters right there. It is landing, bro. What the crap? No, that's sick. There's a chopper landing on the football field. Yep, heading out from the Shaq meet. Freaking sick. Woo! Yo, this is tough, bruh. Let's give some baddies a ride. Bro, up here for a mountain run, and we got freaking like 8 Vipers and a few other cars. This is so sick. They just pulled up on us, bruh. Oh my god. That is the coolest thing ever. Holy crap. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Don't get hit, bruh. Viper GTS. S2K and a Porsche GTS. Holy crap, bro.
Yeah, I thought they were gonna head back up.
Nah, not heading back up, but I'm glad we saw him at all, bro. Holy frick. Uh-oh. No, this car right here freaking... Oh, god dang.